Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix your air freshener diffuser. Okay, if you're having problem on how to fix it, on how to couple it and make it work, I'm going to put you through on how to do that. Before we go on with this video, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell button so you can get a notification whenever I drop a new video. Yeah, I'm going to show you one of the diffuser I'm talking about. I'm talking about this. Okay, this is a home diffuser. You can see, and you can open it. You see this is how it is. And some of the diffuser, it depends. Some comes with the air freshener, okay, and it also comes with a battery, and you can get your battery yourself. Okay, so it's a very simple step. Okay guys, it doesn't take much time to do. It's very, very simple, and I'll teach you how you can set it. There are some you can put it on 30 minutes, you can put it on 10 minutes, you can put it on 20 minutes. It depends on how you want it, and the faster you put it, the more your air freshener gets finished. So if you want it to last you longer, then you have to put it to about maybe 30 minutes. Okay, so the first steps we're going to do is we'll unbox it, because I've already unboxed this already. Okay, I've unboxed this already. So what you're going to do first of all is let me just show you. You're going to set it. You can see, you can look through this. You can see, you make sure it's facing outside. Okay, let me do my camera. You make sure it's facing outside, then you put it, then you put the cover, you put it, and you have to twist. You can see, very easy to do. So the next step is you put the battery. Okay, yeah, and once you put the battery, you're going to hear a sound. Okay, I'm going to do it again, and I want you to listen to the sound. So you can see that, and checking up here, up here, you can see the switch, and I know you can see it from the camera, but I'm going to take a picture and put it in the description. Okay, there is a level 1, level 2, and level 3. So when you put it in level 1, you hear a sound. Okay, when you put it in level 2, you also hear a sound. When you put it in level 3 also, you also hear a sound. So it depends on how you want it to work faster. Okay, so for me, I rather put it in level 1 because I want to save it more. Okay, all right, this is an easy step on how to do this, and you can just put the cover on it, and that's it guys. It's very easy to fix, so you don't have to break anything. You can see it's working. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, click on the like button so you can get a notification whenever I drop a new video.